Today we're gonna make Arrabiata pasta. Simple and delicious. Hello guys, welcome back to Indian by Chef Chami. Let's cook the pasta. Bring a pot of water to roll in boil. Add salt and little olive oil. Add the pasta and cook until al dente. Cook about 8 to 10 minutes. Once drain the pasta, keep the pasta water separate. Now let's make the sauce. Heat a sauté pan over medium heat and add olive oil. Add finely chopped garlic and sauté until light golden and fragrant. Do not burn. Add crushed chili flakes and cook for about 10 seconds to release the heat and aroma. Add peeled tomatoes. Mix well and cook on medium heat. Add a splash of risotto pasta water and let it simmer gently. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and to help the sauce emulsify. Cook until the sauce thickens and becomes slightly glossy. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now add the cooked pasta directly into the sauce. Toss gently to coat every strand evenly. If the sauce is too thick, add a little more pasta water to loosen it and create a silky texture. Your pasta is ready. Plate the pasta neatly and garnish with freshly chopped parsley. If you like this video, like, comment and share with your friends and family. See you on the next video.